Having a security camera watching over your home can dramatically decrease the chances that a criminal will do any wrongdoing on your property. There's a wide range of affordable security cameras available, which start recording when there's motion detected. Now, some are even equipped with voice and alarm capabilities, so you can warn any intruder immediately. Call us today to get a free consultation on the very best camera setup for your security needs. We're experienced, reliable, and affordable. Don't wait another second. Let us protect your
In this first video, we see a confused man walking up to a random porch holding what looks like a plastic bag and a roll of toilet paper. Right away, you can tell something's not right by how nervous and twitchy he acts. It seems like he might be on meth or some other strong drug. When the homeowner answers the door, the man struggles to say who he is.
How can I help you?
This is, my name is James.
When his face gets close to the camera, you can see his pupils are really big, confirming he's definitely on drugs. When the homeowner asks who he's looking for, pay attention to the name he gives.
Who are you looking for?
Sosa.
Who?
Sammy?
What's your name?
James.
He first says Sosa and then repeats with Sammy, referring to Sammy Sosa, like the baseball player. Maybe it was the first name he could think of while trying to come up with a fake friend he was looking for.
And who are you looking for?
No, a friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your fucking face. Get the fuck off my porch.
We don't know why he was trying to get into the house, which is the scariest part. But the homeowner did everything right by talking through the door before opening it. When he noticed the man was acting strange, he warned him that he had a gun, even if he didn't actually have one. This made the man leave the front door. On November 30th, 2021, a Twitter user from Dallas shared that her doorbell camera had captured a suspicious man outside her apartment almost every night for a month. Despite reaching out to authorities, they hadn't taken enough action to keep him away. Here's what the Ring camera recorded. In most clips, the man stood eerily still outside the woman's apartment, possibly waiting for her to come out. At one point, he could be heard talking, but his words were unclear. It's uncertain what his intentions were if the woman stepped out, but given his behavior, it likely wasn't anything good. The disturbing video went viral immediately after being uploaded, with hundreds of people checking in on the woman's safety. 2 days later, she posted an update stating that her friends and family had confronted the man and security was on the lookout for him. Many viewers urged her not to let her guard down, emphasizing the high likelihood of the man returning. However, since the last tweet in December 2021, there have been no further updates and the man's identity remains unknown. I tried to find more information on Twitter, but the account has limited views, so I couldn't see anything about it. The last update tweet and the footage itself are from the Doorbell News channel on YouTube. In July of 2021, a scary video from a couple's Ring doorbell camera appeared online. In the video, there's a man with tattoos and a long gray beard holding a plastic bag. He seems to be talking to himself as he walks up to the couple's front door. The man sees the wife inside the house through the kitchen window. He goes to the front door and keeps asking, "Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a few questions for you."
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive?
The wife stays quiet and calls 911. The man keeps knocking on the glass and saying the same things over and over, even though nobody answers. The husband, who wasn't home, talks to the man through the intercom system. This makes the man come back, look into the camera, and say some really scary stuff.
So who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about Unthinkable. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in.
He talks about wanting to rape and kill the wife and asks her to open the door many times. After a while, the man gives up and walks away, still talking to himself in different voices.
All right. Are you sure? I have no idea. What?
The police arrested the man the next day after somebody else reported seeing him in the area. They found out he's Christopher Slumps, a now 43-year-old guy wanted by the police in California. In this video from May 13, 2020, something scary happened in Wichita, Kansas. Anaya Robinson, a teenage girl, woke up in the middle of the night to see a stranger standing over her while she was sleeping. It was all caught on camera around 2:30 a.m. Anaya felt like she was in a horror movie. Anaya's mom, Angel Robinson, quickly came to help after hearing her daughter's screams. They made sure Anaya and her little sister were safe and called the police. But by the time the police arrived, the stranger had already left. Ring security cameras in the house showed the stranger walking around and going into rooms, but he didn't hurt anyone or take anything. Anaya was scared and worried about what the stranger might have wanted. The family hopes that the pictures of the stranger from the security cameras will help the police find him, but as of May 13, 2020, the stranger hasn't been caught yet, and the Robinson family is still worried about their safety.